Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and this video in particular was requested by one of my lovely subscribers. She requested cherry nails, so that's what I will be doing today. And by the way, this is a DIY, easy, cheap, and very convenient that you can do at home. Anyone can do it, and it's affordable. These are the 500 piece gel polish full cover nail tips, and they are amazing. I always rave about these. I will have them linked down below. So here I'm just sizing them, choosing my size, and now I'm just grabbing my e-file and I'm going to be buffing around the cuticle area of each nail, just for when I apply them to the nail plate, the application looks blended and flawless and just more plush and natural. So this is what I will be doing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and always leave down below anything that you'd like to see nails related. So thank you very much again for watching. Here I'm pushing back my cuticles, and this will just allow the nail to look very beautiful once it's placed on. Here I'm applying the Elmer's glue, and this I use as my peel off coat. And remember, do not apply this if you want your nails to last. If you want your nails to last, always prep and prime and then apply your base. This is because I just want to pop them off right after the video, or if you also don't want to keep your nails on for a very long period of time. So here I'm just applying my base, and this is a base coat from Aston Beauty. So I'm just applying it on every nail and then curing it for 60 seconds. I've already went ahead and placed my nails off camera. So here I'm just grabbing my e-file again, and pretty much I am just removing the shine from every single nail because I will be applying my own top coat. And I'm gonna mainly focus on not only taking away the shine from each nail, but also blending in a little bit more the cuticle area. So here I'm just taking this nail polish that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I recommend the Kiss Gel Shine nail polishes. They are such great quality. You guys will see here. So I just begin to apply them on every nail. I do like 3 coats, and then after that I begin to apply my top coat of choice, which is a matte top coat by Beetles. After I applied my matte top coat, now I'm just also using that as an adhesive for the rhinestones, which I am using them as the cherries. And then later on I cure each nail and then I draw on these stems. I wanted these stems to be a little bit shiny and not matte, so yeah, that's what I decided to do. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Thank you so much for all the love and support that I get down below and all my lovely subscribers. So here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love how they turned out. Thank you so much once again for all the love and support I get from each and every one of you guys. Till next time.